In this village, women apply only one thing in their hair, which is always present in your and my kitchen. And with that one thing, their hair is long, strong, and thick. So today I am going to share this secret with you too. The first ingredient is rice. You have to take 2 spoons of rice and put it in the cup. The second ingredient is 1 spoon of green tea. The third ingredient, I will add 1 spoon of rosemary leaves. Now, I will add 1 cup of water to it. You have to mix it well. After mixing it, you have to keep it in a dark place for at least 3 days. So you have to mix it well. After mixing it, strain it. Remember that you have to keep it for 3 days. After straining it, you have to put it in a spray bottle. Or you can use this water in the roots of your hair with the help of cotton. I keep it in a spray bottle. Whenever you want to use it, mix it well and apply it to the roots of your hair. You have to massage it well for 5 to 10 minutes so that it gets absorbed in the roots. Save video to favorites and comment yes, I will use it.